भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
Translation. Alas, how strange it is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts, driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness.
अहवतो महत्वापं कर्तुं बभूषिताभयं जदराज्य सुखलोभेन अंतुं सजनम उद्दता. So, sometimes Arjuna is accused, Bhagavad Gita is also accused, that there is violence. There is violence. Bhagavad Gita is full of violence. Yes, it is full of violence, the war field, but here the Vaishnava thinking, Arjuna is thinking that it was arranged for his Rajya Sukha, Jad Rajya Sukha Labhe. It was arranged for the satisfaction of Arjuna, so that he could enjoy the kingdom and the happiness there. Actually it was not so. It was arranged by Krishna for his satisfaction, not for Arjuna's satisfaction. So that is the difference between ordinary work and devotional service. Devotional service and ordinary work, they look almost equal. Just like we are living in this house, the neighbors, they may think that some people are living here, chanting, dancing, we also dance, we also sometimes sing, and eating, they are also eating. What is the difference? They may think that what is the difference between devotional service and ordinary work? It looks almost equal. Therefore people misunderstand that Bhagavad Gita is ordinary warfare and violence. But it is not that. It is arranged by Krishna because to fulfill his mission is paritranam sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam. That is his satisfaction. Not Arjuna's satisfaction, not anyone's satisfaction. It is his plan. He comes, he descends on this planet, in this universe, just to establish the real purpose of religious life and to kill, to vanquish those who are opposing the real purpose of life, human life. That is his mission. Simultaneously, two things. Paritranam sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam. So, sajanam ahovato mahatpapam kartum babhusitabhyam jatrajya sukhalevana hantam sajanam uddhata. Sajanam means kinsman. So kinsman does not mean in a higher sense only my brother or my sister or my father or my uncle. No. Sajanam means all living entities. Because one who hasn't got Krishna consciousness, ordinary consciousness, material consciousness, he cannot think in terms of sajana, my kinsman, all living entities. He cannot think. Actually everyone is our sajan, because If God is Father, as Krishna claims, Aham Bija Pada Pita, if he is the Supreme Father, not only he claims, at least any fine religious system claims God is the original Father. That's the fact. Aham sarvasya prabhava, matta sarvam pravartate. Everything has come from him. He is the Supreme Father. If Krishna is the Supreme Father, he is Father of everyone. Sarvajonishu kaunteya. In all species of life, in all forms of life, they are all our sajan, kinsmen. How it cannot be? Because Krishna is the original Father. This is Krishna consciousness. Therefore, a devotee of Krishna does not want to commit a little harm to any living entity. That is Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,